Hey there guys, how's it going? Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys are having a great week. Weekend's coming up tomorrow. I just wanted to take a minute and tell you guys that today is the day that I started doing YouTube on this channel 5 years ago. And that is just utterly insane. I can't even wrap my head around like where I was 5 years ago. Looking back on it, like we have come so far. I mean, the channel's come far, I've come far. It's been a roller coaster. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm sorry, the microphone's like right in my way, but I wanted to do something a little bit different this year. I wanted to do something kind of quick, and I hate that, but you know, it's pretty late already, and I've been working all day on some stuff, on other videos. Like I've literally had the camera on my head all day working on some stuff for you guys to upload some more videos to the channel. So for this year's like anniversary video, I wanted to review my very first video that I posted on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh man, look at that transition. Oh, good God. Okay, let's stop right there. Okay, first of all, wow, it's so cool to see me on the 900. I mean, I know I can go watch these videos at any point in time, but just going back to this moment, like I remember filming this, you know what I mean? Like it's so freaky, man. Like it's so weird that people film stuff and then put it online for the whole world to see. Like it's just a weird thing. But it's so weird seeing the 900. Like, I mean, it's not weird. I miss it, is what it boils down to. Like, the feeling I have is that I miss that bike. And real quick, like, oh God, the frame rate is so or the bit rate is so low, like I can't even get like a clear shot. But the helmet and the jacket, like that Speed and Strength jacket, that was my very first motorcycle jacket that I ever owned. And I don't even think you guys even got like 2 videos with that jacket. I think this is the only video that you guys will ever see me wearing that jacket. And it's so weird, like, because I had that jacket for a while. Like I had that jacket, like I had been riding for a whole year before I even started YouTube. So that's pretty crazy. Because I started YouTube in June, well technically July 2015, and then I had the 1000RR in August of 2016. So you know, we had the 900 for a year, but I didn't even make that many videos, and that's probably one of my biggest regrets, is that I just didn't film freaking everything and then put it on the channel. Still wearing the same helmet, still wearing the same dadgum helmet to this day. And I could get pretty low on the 900. I was super good at riding that thing at this point, because I would ride that thing everywhere. And seeing myself not wear gloves is super duper weird. I could never imagine myself not wearing gloves on a bike. Like back in the day, I remember thinking to myself like, well, I can't feel anything with these gloves on. And now it's totally weird for me to even think about riding a bike without having gloves on. Like that's just a big no-no. Like all the gear all the time, guys. Like wear that freaking gear, or you know, you'll probably regret it one day. But yeah, and like, well, we'll keep rolling here. The camera kind of slumped down a little bit. Did you guys see that? Did you guys happen to catch that? I'll play it back one more time. Okay, for those of you that didn't catch it, in this frame right here, I'm wearing my Variant, and the camera is on the front of the bike. You guys can see right here where I've got my GoPro mount on my helmet. Well, in this very next frame, you can see this helmet that I'm wearing is not the Variant. You can tell by the way it's shaped. It's a perfect circle, and there's no GoPro mount on the windshield of my bike. The camera angle, the POV camera angle was filmed on one day with my old helmet, and then the bike cam facing back towards me was filmed on a completely different day with me wearing my new helmet, the Variant. So in case, you know, the shadow kind of, you know, gives it away. There's a few hints and clues here and there. The days are pretty similar, but there's a few clues here and there showing that this was two completely different riding sessions. You can see a wave right here, and some bikers go by me, so that's pretty cool. But like you guys can tell that I really tried to pull the wool over your eyes. I'm, you know, wearing the same jacket, watch, wristband, got my phone in the same position, everything. Like the days look pretty similar. Like I tried really hard. And here's my big finale. Little baby wheelie. Oh my God, that's great. And the song that I used, because I didn't want to get copyrighted, that seems so crazy to me now. I should have just used the song that I wanted to use. This is the song I wanted to use. I'll play it for a fraction of a second. Yeah, that's it. This is how we roll out here. We're packing heat because it's cold out. Yeah, that was the song. It's a How We Roll by Hollywood Undead. And, you know, I know it probably doesn't seem like it, but, well, I mean, some of you probably know, but I love, like, you know, metal, you know, and rock, like heavy rock, hard rock, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if you consider Hollywood Undead like heavy metal or whatever, but they're kind of like a mix type of band. They're like, not really, it's kind of like hip hop. It's like hard hip hop, I guess you could say. I enjoy their music for the most part. One of the lyrics for the song was, "Oh shit, yeah, here comes Johnny. He's popping a wheelie on his Ducati." And I don't know, I just really love listening to that song back in the day when I had first started, you know, learning how to ride and having a bike and you know, going out there and riding, and started motovlogging. So I don't know, I found an instrumental and I put that in there, but I should have just went whole hog and put the whole song in there. I shouldn't have cared. It's my very first YouTube video. I should have known it wasn't going to get a lot of views. To this day, it's got like 100 views. And this Instagram, that's still true. Like I've got like 600 some odd photos on my Instagram. You guys, if you don't follow it, you should go follow me and check it out. You'll get a lot of sneak peek stuff for upcoming videos. Like a lot of, that's the best way to keep up to date with me, is through SnowDrift, through Instagram. I'm sorry, I'm like dog tired right now. And a lot of you guys may have noticed a transition. I don't do this nowadays, but my end screens, I made those by hand, whenever I had my yellow bike, my end screens were yellow, and when I got my silver grayish 900 or 1000 RR, all my end screens, like all the text went to like a similar color of the bike, so like a silver / grayish color. But now my end screens are completely different, so they're all animated and pretty and nice and everything. So, but yeah, like I remember editing this video and it taking me like a whole day to get it done, and now it's a 2-minute long video, and now my my intro video is better than this. Yeah, like we've definitely come a long way, you guys. So just wanted to get this video made, edited, and uploaded today on July the 3rd. This date really means a lot to me. And you guys mean a lot to me. I sure do appreciate it. I know I keep saying this, but I'm so dog tired. It's not even funny, but I really am stoked. Like we're almost at like 1,100 subscribers already, and we just crossed over to 1,000 like just over a month ago. It's crazy. So we sure are growing pretty quick. So but anywho, that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed like me, going back and checking out my very first video on this channel. And sure enough, it was uploaded July 3rd, 2015. The start of my moto vlogging. It's short and slow, but it's a start. And I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. And I still mean that. It was a start, but I still hope you guys enjoy it. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much for being with me this long. And I promise you, season 5 is going to be freaking sane for this channel. You guys know by now, we just had our little girl, and so videos may be a little bit more spread out, but I promise you guys that the quality is going to go through the roof, and I'm going to try my best, as always, to make some of the best content for you guys to check out. So I really appreciate, your patience, your loyalty to the channel, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more content coming down the pipeline. Share the video with your dog or something like that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good 4th.